This is the home of Wally Walrus, owner and manager of a quiet and respectable rooming house. As we look in on this reputable old fuddy-duddy, we find him enjoying his weekly bath, while upstairs, a slap-happy tenant is enjoying a game of, well, of all things, indoor golf.
Golf ball. Well, I suppose I should overlook this little incident. But I'm not going to! Now, one more peep out of you and... Here, read the rules.
What a joint. I can't do this. I can't do that. I can't do nothing. Ah, boy. Well, there's no rule against me taking a bath. Didn't want to take a bath anyway. My dime! I lost my dime! Well, what do you know? My dime! winter, while the grasshopper fiddled his time away. When winter came, the ant had plenty of food. The grasshopper was cold and hungry. That's a lot of baloney. Just look at them. Work, work, work. They never have any fun. Hey, you're not an ant. You're a grasshopper.
Yep, that's right. But the ants taught me a lesson. Right.
Work! Just the thought of work tires me out. Boy, am I hungry. Pardon me. Would one of you step in the lobby and get me a candy bar? Right back at you. What was that? Huh? What was it?
That was the wolf at your door.
A wolf? Yeah, Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie. Yeah, Wolfie.
Well, what do you know? If it ain't my old friend Red Riding Hood in person. And what, might I ask, have you got in the basket?
I've got a basket of food for my grandma. I bet you have, I bet you.
You don't say. Mind if I have a look? Hmm? Waffles.
Yeah, have one. It was a mystery when they hung him by the neck from a cottonwood tree. And who has the map to show where it's hid? Me, that's who, the Woodpecker Kid. This must be the place. Now, let me see. 1 block to Snake Eye Saloon. Snake Eye Saloon. 20 paces to the north. Now, let's see. Right about here. Excuse me.
Very funny. Very funny. Stick 'em up. Hey, oh, 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 ow, oh, 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 oh. Ow! Don't do that. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Howdy, partner.
What are you? No, not that!
Aw, they're playing our song.
You!
Hi.
Aha! Hey, you! Come here, you ornery flea bag! I think he means me. I've seen him do this in the movies. I hate him. Where's my horse?
Here, use mine.
Thanks. That rabbit ain't but a cart trying container pork cleaner.
Don't you know it's not polite to point? Yoo-hoo!
I'll get ya. That rat, the green gold, bing, busted, big, sculling, gold gunning.
gracious, Maggie. What are you wearing?
Samuel, have you forgotten the masquerade party?
Masquerade? Oh, dear. I'll put on my costume right away.
Hurry, Sam, or we'll be late.
Just one little moment, sweetie pie. How do I look, tugboat? Or dreamboat?
Sam.
Sorry. Uh-oh, we're out of gas.
We passed a farm about a mile back. Go over and borrow a gallon.
Yes, dear.
Caught you stealing a chicken, huh? If I catch you with another chicken, I'll clobber you by cracky. A king-size chicken. What are you holding behind your back? Let's see the other paw. All right, both of them. Good dog.
or we'll be late.
Beyond the towering mountains, into the sweltering desert, where very few of nature's creatures can eke out a living,
He calls this a living.
we come to the quaint little hamlet called Lost Wages. Away from the din of the slot machines, our hero has come to this desert resort to relax in peace and quiet.
Oh, hello there. I'm Professor Dingledong. On with this rocket, I will be the first man to fly to Mars, yeah.
I'm gonna put a stop to this racket.
There she is, all finished.
So, he wants to go to Mars, eh?
You is just in time to witness this history-making event.
Bon voyage, Professor.
Oh, that was a rough landing, but I made it. Welcome to Mars. Ah, you must be one of its strange little inhabitants.
Boogie, boogie, ick, ick.
The natives are friendly. I will take you back to Earth with me as a specimen.
Specimen. I might give this nut the Woody Woodpecker treatment. Here, Professor. You need a drink.
Oh, thank you. Now let me see. X over pi. Got to allow for the wind.
Nah, it'll never work.
Sure it will. Touch the manometer there. Then you put your little tippy toe right there.
You're right. It worked.
Where are you, little Martian? Oh, it's dark in here. It's dark out here, too.
The sun sets fast on Mars, Professor. Come, let me lead the way.
How am I doing there?
Watch that first step. Have no fear, Earthman. I'll catch you. Oops, sorry.
That's not too high. I can jump that easy. That crazy tape measure for the paper. What's the matter? You crazy or something?
Step right up, Professor, and win a cigar.
Oh, that's nice. I like a cigar.
Now walk back 20 paces. This guy's smart as a whip. Turn, aim, draw, shoot. Bullseye! You win a cigar.
Martians is the craziest people.
Oh, Professor Dingle-Dong, from the planet Earth.
Aha! There you is. I get you now, you little schmuddle. Hey, what goes there? Stop pulling the tree down! Hey, come back, Dummkopf. What's the matter with you there? You were supposed to trip on that big busted string, and the gestunken shotgun was supposed to go off.
Very ingenious. You mean like this. Okay, I give up. with you.
You will? Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, come on. We'll go in my rocket ship.
You will be the eighth wonder of the world. I will be famous. Your name Dingle Dong will go down in history.
Stand by for countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
Here, in the icy grip of the Antarctic, this ship fights a grim battle to clear the sea lanes of ice. Her job, crush or be crushed. To amuse the crew, she carries a mascot. And in the tradition of the sea, the mascot lives in the lap of luxury.
Wake up, sir. It's time for chow. Here's your grog. And here's your great big sizzling steak. Open wider, sir. Ah, there we are. Hi, look at the penguin.
Yeah, the penguin.
Here's a hat, little fella.
Hi, that's my hat.
What do you say we keep him for a mascot?
Yeah, for a mascot.
You're our new mascot, boy. Look here, you deep freeze chicken. I'm the mascot on this ship, and that boy has got to go. Welcome aboard, son. Gonna be our new mascot, huh? Well, let me show you around the ship. By the way, do you have a match? Thanks. Hold this, son. I'll be right back. Help! Get me out of here!
Now, hear this. If I find the swab that's playing jokes,
I'll break him in two! That did that? Wow! What a dish! Break out the spinnaker! Woo, woo,
I'll use this here ice cream cone to wash that cotton-picking penguin overboard. How about some refreshments, son? Now, look here, man. That's good ice cream.
ice cream, huh? I like ice cream.
this'll get me in good with the Admiral. Come on, Admiral! You're in the groove, man! Cut your engine and set her down.
Yes, all ships have mascots to amuse the crew. But the crew must also work. And on this ship, the job is to crush ice.
You're telling me.